Today, we're visiting the busiest border in the world, El Chaparral, the gateway connecting San Diego, California, and Tijuana, Mexico. Okay, so based on the timetable, it's gonna take us approximately 50 minutes to get to San Ysidro station, and then from there we will have a nice walk to the actual border. We embark on a journey through the border, understanding the crossing process, exploring Tijuana, and offering essential tips for travelers, whether by foot or car. This crossing, bustling with movement and vitality, is a testament to the interconnectedness of nations.
America Plaza is next.
Situated a stone's throw away from downtown San Diego, this bustling border hub is a vital artery facilitating the exchange of people, goods, and cultures. The long queues of vehicles and the anticipation in the air are palpable, underscoring the significance of this junction. For those venturing by car, the I-5 South freeway leads directly to the San Ysidro port of entry, where El Chaparral stands. Be prepared for potential waits, especially during peak hours or weekends. Alternatively, the San Diego trolley offers a convenient option for those traveling on foot, with the Blue Line taking you directly to the San Ysidro Transit Center, which is a short walk from the border. Okay, we made it to the San Ysidro Transport Center. This is the East Pedestrian Crossway. That's what that looks like. I think we're supposed to go into this building and then cross from here. So that's exactly what we're gonna do in a little bit and head to Mexico. You ready? El Chaparral serves as the main border crossing point from San Diego into Tijuana. It's important to know when you're here, you should have your passport. That's the best way to get in and out. Here we go. Getting in, it's not so busy. There are a group of people going. You can see luggages. Some luggage getting moved along. But this is currently the east walkway. Getting into Mexico by foot. A few tips for travelers, especially those on foot. Ensure you have a valid passport or other acceptable forms of identification. Wear comfortable shoes as you might need to walk a fair amount, especially during peak times when vehicle queues are long. This channel is supported by you, so hit that subscribe button, share this video, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. It took me about an hour to get in from downtown San Diego and a little over about 20 minutes to get through the border. Have your passport ready, which we do. Okay, and here we go. Okay, and we made it through.
No, una pesa nomás morrita que tú mismo la puedes levantar.
Now we're getting into Tijuana. Also, stay aware of your surroundings, avoid risky areas, and follow local guidelines and regulations. From here, it should be a 20-minute walk to downtown. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. Explore the neighborhood. We made our way into Mexico, and now we are headed to downtown. So we just need to keep following the path. Okay. That's the way to get back to the US on Avenida Sanitario, and so we will take note of that. El Chaparral, the busiest border in the world. That doesn't go downtown. For travelers by car, border wait times can be long. Check online for real-time border wait times to plan your trip accordingly and avoid peak hours. You also need to carry necessary documents, including vehicle registration and insurance, and be prepared for potential inspections. More details on El Chaparral. Traveling by foot or by car, it's important to have some pesos on hand for tolls, parking, and other transactions. This will be especially helpful as you get items such as street tacos and enjoy the day in Tijuana. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, and leave a comment below. Thank you. Stay tuned for more adventures.